Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can insert an SD card to your Motorola Moto G23. For that, you want to go ahead and get your SD card and then your SIM card ejector or a simple paper clip, and then go to your SIM card slot because that's also the place where your SD card goes. Open it carefully and take that out, and then take your SD card and put it in the space right here, and then put the whole thing back in the phone. Now we need to unlock our SIM card first of all, and now we're back in the phone. If we go to settings now and go to storage, we see that we can choose between this device and SanDisk SD card, and then this is our SD card and it's almost empty. We have 16 MB used, so you can now put stuff on there. So that's how you insert a SD card to your Motorola Moto G23. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.